With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we have to identify that which of the following statements is not true. Then the first statement, let us check one statement, each statement one by one. So the first statement says the number whose conjugate is this. So if this is the number, then its conjugate should be this. If this is z, then this should be equal to z bar. Now let us check whether it is true or not. So z is equal to 1 upon 1 plus iota and z bar is 1 upon 1 minus iota. We need to check whether z bar is 1 upon 1 minus iota. Z is 1 upon 1 plus iota. And we need to check if z bar is equal to 1 upon 1 minus iota or not. So first of all, let us try to get z in standard form. So we are rationalizing this on solving 1 minus iota divided by 1 square minus iota square. So that would be equal to 1 minus iota upon 2. Now this is z. Z bar would be equal to, from here, 1 plus iota divided by 2. Now again rationalizing it, it would be equal to 1 square minus iota square divided by 2 into 1 minus iota. So that would be equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1 upon 1 minus iota. So this is coming out to be z bar. And this what we need to prove, z bar is equal to this. So the first statement is true. This statement is true. Now let us check the second statement. Second statement says if sin x plus iota cos 2x and cos x plus minus iota sin 2x are conjugate to each other, then number of values of x is 0. Now it is saying that if this is z, then this should be equal to z bar. That's what it is, the statement is representing. So z is, this one for statement A. Now for statement B, z is sin x plus iota cos 2x, and z bar according to the statement is cos x minus iota sin 2x. Now let us try to get z bar from here. We'll get sin x, just replacing iota with minus iota, cos 2x, and z bar according to the equation is this. Now equating both the equations, because both are z bar, so let us try to equate those. So sin x is equal sin x minus iota cos 2x is equal to cos x minus iota sin 2x. Now comparing real with real and imaginary with imaginary, so we'll get sin x is equal to cos x and cos 2x is equal to sin 2x. Now we can easily see that there is no value of x which will satisfy both the equations simultaneously. So the x, only value of x is 0. Hence second statement is also true. Now let us take the third statement. The third statement says if x plus 1 plus iota y and 2 plus 3 iota are conjugate of each other, then the value of x plus y is minus 2. So if this is z, then this is z bar. That's what its statement says. So for third statement, z is x plus 1 plus iota y and z bar is given as, according to the statement, 2 plus 3 iota. From here we can find z bar is equal to x plus 1 minus iota y, and according to statement z bar is given as 2 plus 3 iota. So on comparing these two, because z bar is equal, so x plus 1 is equal to 2, comparing real with real, and y would be equal to minus 3, x would be equal to 1 and y would be equal to minus 3. X plus y would be equal to minus 2. So the third statement is also true. 3 statements are true up to now. Now let us take the final statement. The final statement, statement D, says 2 plus iota is greater than 3 plus iota. So let us check. Here, for a complex number z1 greater than z2, so if we assume z1 is equal to a plus iota b and z2 is equal to x plus iota y, so real part of z1 should be greater than real part of z2. Similarly, imaginary part of z1 should be greater than imaginary part of z2. These two conditions must be true. So a should be greater than x and b should always greater than y. Applying this concept here, real part should be greater than and imaginary part should always be greater than the corresponding imaginary part. Both these conditions are not true. Both are false. 2 is not greater than 3 and 1 is also not greater than 1. So this statement is false. The only false statement, only statement which is not true in given equations is option D. This is only false.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.